from e-commerce learners. Today we are starting a new series of Amazon Seller Central. So today our first video is regarding how to set up your Amazon Seller Central account. So we are starting from the plans which Amazon Seller provides you. One is individual plan, second is professional plan. In individual plan, there is no monthly fees, but you have to pay 0.99 per item sold. It is good for the new sellers who have less than 40 sales per month. And in professional plan, you do not have to give per item fees, but you have to pay monthly fees $39, and it is best for scaling business or selling more than 40 items per month. After that, you have to create your account on Amazon. So you have to visit Amazon Seller Central. After that, you have to click on register now. Then sign in with your Amazon account. You can create new also, or you can sign in with existing Amazon account also. Then select the region which you want, US, Canada, India, where you want to sell. After that, enter your business informations like business name, legal entity, business address, phone number. Please note business address and phone number will be valid because of the verification. Otherwise, Amazon will block your account. After that, you have to provide tax information. If you are in India, then you have to provide GST numbers, and if you are in international, you have to provide VAT number. After choosing that, you have to choose payment method like valid bank account in which the amount will come. The credit card fees, it means the fees which will Amazon deduct will be deducted from the credit card. The details were confirmed for the smooth payouts. Now verify your identity. Identity verification, government issued ID, bank or credit card statements, fraud prevention. Fraud prevention means that there is no illegal transactions in your account, so that Amazon can proceed it smoothly. Now proceed your listing. After verification, you can start listing your products on Amazon Seller Central. It is a optional set up your storefront. It means you have to create a store on Amazon in which you can put your logo, banner, brand definitions, and you can make the sections, different sections for the different products. After that, add products to your account. You can add the product. We have a different video for how to add the listing, how to do listing. There are four types of method to do the listings, so it will be in another video. Step is set up your shipping preference. There are two terms, FBM and FBA. FBM means fulfillment by merchant and FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfilled by merchant means you yourself have to ship the products to the customers, and fulfillment by Amazon means Amazon will ship the products from you to customers. In FBA, Amazon have their warehouse where they can keep your product and ship very fast. Shipping rates will be decided on the based on your product size, weight, and destination. Handling time, as soon as you will ship the product, your products will get more orders. After that, you can start selling. Some points which I will want to tell you that once your account is set up, you can start listing more products, managing your inventory, and promoting your items. Monitor your performance through Amazon Seller Central and adjust your strategies based on sales data and customer feedback. And you can also use the keywords so that customer can easily find your products. Tip for success: research your market and competition before listing the products. Use high quality image, optimize your product listing with relevant keywords. It means you have to take the high quality images. Don't take photos from any other seller, otherwise your listing will be banned. And use relevant keywords to your product so that customer can find easily your product. Focus on the customer service and try to build a positive feedback rating. In Amazon and in e-commerce, the rating is the main part of your selling. If you have a good rating, you will get a good number of orders. Keep an eye on Amazon policies and update to stay compliant.